We're gonna make it quick. A bunch of quick ones here. This is my timing chain and my oil pan gasket and my oil pump process. So you see that? That's the cross member. It goes across here all the way over to that side. 4 bolts, and they are 18 millimeters. Okay. This little dude right here gets right into there, and I actually had to turn it around to be able to get to that part to unsnap it. It was a pain in the ass. And then next, I start undoing the wiring harness here to get them out of the way so I can drop the oil pan down, and then take 10 millimeter here and pull this block off right here. I'm gonna have to get another gasket. That not in order. I'll have to get that one. And it all should just come right straight on down, because I'm not going to take the lines loose and try to fish them out. And this will stay here, and then I can take this plastic harness holder off, and it's mounted right there, and there should be another bolt on the front right over here. Alright, and then we'll get the harness out of the way. There's another one we have to unclip right here. Get it out of the way. All of the pan, there it is. There, you see that? We'll take that bolt out there, and then we can get the harness completely out of the way. And then we can unbolt the pan and let the pan down and get the pan out of the way. I don't know if there's any, no, there's not. They just go straight up through the, go straight up through the timing chain covers and all that. And then your oil pump's right back here. Okay, and then your timing chain is behind it with your crank gear. And man, I seen a bunch of people it was a pain in the ass for them to pull the transmission, but I can get to every one of these bolts all the way around, even from the top, no problem. If I have to slide the transmission back and change that flex plate, I haven't got to that point. I'm gonna try without pulling the exhaust, because those bolts right there are for rows. I could probably get them off of the impact, but I got to take the oil pan off anyway, so maybe I'll be able to tilt it enough to slide it on out and get this cover out right here so that I can inspect the flex plate. Okay. And then the pain in the ass part of that be putting it all back together with this damn thing in the way, because it'll have to go back in first. So that's process so far. There you go. Y'all enjoy. Peace. Stand in your shot spot and all that other good shit. Trying to keep it down because it takes a lot. Bye.